Milan is also with us. She's been reporting across the streets of the national capital on polling day, sixth phase of polling. Arvind Kejriwal with his family members casting his vote at the civil lines booth. Milan, do tell us more on the spirits of the Aam Aadmi Party at this point with that many controversies shrouding him.
Of course, Nabil. Movement for Arvind Kejriwal, his entire family, his party, because Delhi is going to polls and they have high stakes riding on the kind of election campaigning that he was able to do after he came out of jail. But there are many issues that the Delhiites are voting for today, and whether or not, as you were discussing, that whole episode with Swati Maliwal has actually cast that kind of shadow over his campaigning, it has. But whether it's cast a shadow on the voters, we'll have to find out and check with them. I have a few voters with me, and what's your name? You're a young voter, first time voter?
I'm first time, and I feel very responsible about it. And
who did you come out to vote, yourself, or your dad or mom told you nahi vote karna hai?
I was very passionate about it, and I was very excited about it. So pehle this is my vote.
And also, what are the issues that you would like to vote for? Is Swati Maliwal or development, or what kind of issues are you looking at voting?
All right, that's Milan bringing us those voices from the ground. The national capital is, of course, upbeat today. You're seeing people coming out and vote, but believe me, it's not to the numbers that we're really hoping to see in a national capital like Delhi. So if you haven't already, there's a look at the Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal himself, with his family members, his old parents, who he's brought in himself to cast your vote. So it is your responsibility to exercise your franchise. It's important that today you cast your vote and pitch in yourself. You commit to the shaping of this country, to what you want for this country. Unless and until you vote, you really have no rights to speak then. So cast your vote today. It's important in the national capital, and I'm going to take you through these visuals here that's coming in of Arvind Kejriwal with his family members casting his vote. We saw a little earlier as well Swati Maliwal who cast her vote today, and I refer to her because it appears that Arvind Kejriwal's entire campaign received a setback because of the Swati Maliwal assault case. His 21-day bail, where he was supposed to ideally be traversing through different parts of the national capital and even other parts of the country, campaigning fiercely for the Aam Aadmi Party and the other India Bloc allies in different states. It appeared to have really received a setback after Swati Maliwal, his own party MP, claimed that she was assaulted inside the Chief Minister's residence. So for Arvind Kejriwal, these are difficult times. Of course, we've got to see how he waged through these controversies. He's spoken to India Today just yesterday, elaborately speaking about how he's being constantly targeted. He harped on the same issues, that opposition is being muscled by the ruling. And he's no different. He's been arrested because this is a way to target him and suppress opposition voice. These are words of Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister. Now, it all remains to be seen whether all of this turns into a sympathy vote in favor of him or whether this is, of course, going to leave a massive dent in the Aam Aadmi Party's vote base. We also have Maushmi joining us for more on that. Maushmi, it's a big fight today, sixth phase of polling. I'm right here in Vijay Chowk, the Parliament area, where the fight for 7 phases is to get a spot at the Parliament. Give us more on the 6th phase of polling in the national capital today.
Absolutely, Nabila. Since you're right there at Vijay Chowk, you would be feeling the sun beating down, and clearly the temperatures have started to soar. Even as earlier in the day, we saw voters, really coming up here in New Delhi, where we are in the New Delhi constituency. Now you can see that voters are just trickling in by 1 or 2. Here in this Atal Adarsh Vidyalaya at Lodhi Estate, where a short while ago Priyanka Gandhi came to cast her vote, and Rehan and Miraya, her children also cast their vote. And Rahul Gandhi was right there with Priyanka and Robert Vadra walking across to another school just next door to let Robert Vadra cast his vote there. But interesting battle here, because I remember the time when the Congress party was beaten hands hands down by the Aam Aadmi Party in the assembly elections, and Rahul Gandhi had walked up at 10 Janpad saying perhaps we should learn something from this new party, and then lot of Congress leaders had objected to the fact that Gandhi's party didn't need to learn from Arvind Kejriwal. But that was it. That was the beginning of the end of the Congress party as far as Delhi is concerned. Apparently the Aam Aadmi Party, many in the Congress alleged, ate into the vote bank of the Congress party, and life perhaps has come full circle. Sworn enemies, friends in the India bloc. We saw Arvind Kejriwal campaign for Congress candidates JP Agarwal and Kanhaiya Kumar. So interesting power play. And right now, as I spoke to Robert Vadra, he said that the India bloc was looking to win the elections, and Rahul Gandhi could well be a fitting personality to lead the country, as he has all the abilities. So, you know, the dynamics are changing. We are almost nearing the end of the grand finale of the Lok Sabha elections, Nabila. And we've seen a lot of twists and turns, a lot of rhetoric flowing in. But for the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress in Delhi, you know, they know that their duo combined couldn't match up to the percentage of the BJP in 2019, where 22% to the Congress and 18% to the Aam Aadmi Party, just added up to 40, which was way behind the BJP's voting share. So one will have to really pull a rabbit out of the hat, or perhaps really convince the voters that this is a formidable front where there are no dissensions within the India bloc. We'll have to wait and see whether the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party workers really aligned well on the ground, to deliver the results and upset the BJP's, 100% track record of 2014 and 19.